This is the cobra pose. Mommy, Viral and Diyan.
Hi!
Hi guys! Today Diyan and Mama are going to try some funny poses. Let's start by opening these cards and do some exercise at home. So are you guys ready to see us do some exercise?
Yes!
Alright. The down dog pose. What? And you already know it? I'll try it. What does the dog say? Alright, let's see what he's getting. The triangle pose. Now let's do the triangle pose. Wow. Triangle. The cow pose. I'll do the cow pose. This is my yoga mat. No. What? This is not okay. This is not okay. Cow pose. What's that? Belly breathing. This one is so easy. Diyan, you're sleeping in the pose. We have to do some pose. Wake up. Oh my God, are you tired? Why are you sleeping? Oh God, this is a very breathing pose, but still we have to do so many poses. Diyan. Wake up, Diyan. Alright, I'm going to show you how we do the camel pose. Diyan. The horse pose. Wow, this is really good. Let's do the horse. What does the horse say? This is the horse pose. Let's do the horse pose. Now put your feet like this and do. Foal, you're foal. Yeah, I'm horse mama and you're my baby foal. We live in a stable. Half moon pose. So, do you know what a half moon is? When the sun rays partially fall on moon, the moon looks half. Oh my God. What's this pose? Tell us. It's the cock pose. Oh my God. Diyan woke up and it's his favorite pose. Sleeping. Sleeping. Now Mama's also going to sleep.
Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping?
Oh, the alarm is ringing. Let's get up. We were doing exercise and we took a shot. Now let's get back to exercise. The tree pose. The silent tree. If I get up, I'll be out of the frame. So let's Diyan teach us this pose. Oh, this is a boat pose. Let's do this one. It looks easy. All you have to do is sit like this. Hey, the ship is coming. Diyan, like this. Dancer pose. Diyan opened the dancer pose. We all love dancing. And we will just like the dancer. This is the cobra pose. This is my favorite pose. It's the chair pose. Let's assume that we are sitting on a chair. Like Diyan. Okay, so we are going to try the chair pose on the chair. I'm going to sit and then Diyan gonna show you what it is this pose is. He's gonna remove the chair. This is the chair pose. Now the chair is gone, so I'll do the boat pose. This is a boat. Now try this chair pose, Diyan, okay? Now you have to sit, you have to pretend that you're sitting on a chair and then I'm gonna remove it. Okay? Okay. Put your toes on the ground, pretend, and I'm gonna remove it, okay? So be prepared. Be careful, guys. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Let's do the chair pose again. That's up. Is that the chair pose?
Yes.
Oh my god, I think that's not at all a chair pose.
Really?
That's not a chair pose. You're sitting on me. I'm not a chair. Get off. Get off. The last pose. We achieved doing exercise. So we are warriors. Let's do it, Diyan. Let's hold the trophy. Let's hold the trophy. We won. Yeah. Hi, Foal. We did so many exercises at home. Keep your body healthy, your mind healthy, and have fun by doing these activities. You can simply type Mommy Veeral Yoga with Diyan and do yoga with us every day. Subscribe to our channel Mommy Veeral to see more fun videos like this. Subscribe to our channel Mommy Veeral to see more fun videos like this. See you next time with more kids, fun activities. Bye-bye.